It's been 5 years since I started this YouTube channel, and I've noticed that some questions keep coming up again and again. So I decided to make a video to answer the frequently asked questions. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to answer the question, should we keep aloe vera in direct sunlight or shade? Let's get straight to it. The short and direct answer is direct sunlight. If possible, give your aloe vera full sun exposure all day long. Aloe vera is believed to have originated from the Arabian Peninsula, a region known for its scorching heat, especially in desert areas. Although aloe vera is now grown in many tropical, semi-tropical, and arid regions around the world, its native habitat is hot, dry, and sunny. This means aloe vera is incredibly well adapted to intense sun exposure, just like what it would get in the desert. Some people even believe that aloe vera grown in such harsh, natural conditions tends to develop more concentrated nutritional compounds than those grown in milder climates. But of course, the longer answer depends on why you're growing aloe vera. If you're growing it for consumption, like juicing, skincare, or even for hair, direct sunlight is still best. Think about how aloe vera is grown on farms for commercial use. These farms are usually located in open, sunny areas in tropical or semi-tropical climates. The plants are fully exposed to the sun all day long. If you live in a place where full sun isn't possible, partial shade is fine, but try to give it as much sun as you can. If you're planting it directly in the ground, choose a spot that gets the most sun during the day. If you're using a container, place it where it can soak up the sunlight as much as possible. Some aloe vera is also grown in greenhouses, and yes, they can still thrive there. But it's worth noting that greenhouse-grown aloe vera often contains higher water content, which can result in a lower concentration of beneficial compounds compared to outdoor-grown plants. Lastly, if you're growing aloe vera primarily for ornamental purposes inside your house, the good news is the plant can adapt. It may not look as robust as those you've seen in sun-drenched farms and gardens, but they can certainly survive and even grow indoors. You might notice some differences. The leaves can appear drooping and break more easily, and they'll likely be narrower and more elongated. The thickness of the leaves, even indoors, will still largely depend on proper watering. Too much water, the roots may rot. Too little water, the leaves will become very thin. Plants grown indoors are also more prone to root rot, which is why proper watering is crucial. Only water your plant when the soil completely dries out. But be careful not to let it stay dry for too long, as the plant will start consuming the water stored in its leaves, resulting in thinner, less vibrant foliage. I hope this video has thoroughly answered the question about aloe vera and sunlight. If you have any more questions, just drop them in the comment section below. This is Danny. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.